Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about YouTube settings you need to know to grow your YouTube channel. So many small YouTubers make this mistake and it hurts their growth. Have you ever landed on a homepage of a large YouTube channel? Of course you have, jump action. But when you land on that homepage, what did you find? A huge array of different videos to click and watch. And not only does it feel like the channel is active, but this creator is providing themselves with a lot of opportunities to get views by serving you up a whole bunch of their videos that you could potentially click on. So first of all, we need to open your YouTube app to make these settings. First, you need to click on your profile picture in here and tap on this YouTube Studio option in the very bottom. Here you can see your uploaded videos for YouTube and you can know about views, impressions, view durations of your videos in here. Tap on this content option in the bottom. Here you can see your all videos. Click on one of them. So then you can analyze that video easily. Tap on this more option in here. So here you can know about views, watch time, audience retention by using these charts. You can increase the views of your videos by sharing your video on other social media and adding an attractive thumbnail as well. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.